welcome to the Craft Papa Show. So today I was at work and I found this piece of pallet wood, and I don't know, sometimes wood talks to me, and it said I want to be a knife, a resin knife. So I'm going to try to make a resin knife out of this piece of wood using ComposiMold and resin. Anywho, let's get started. Alright, so here we go. I want to do something kind of a little simple. This is the first time I've ever tried this, so bear with me. Next we're going to give it a coat of clear coat. Let's go. And the clear coat's going to allow us to pull the mold off way easier. Alright, so we'll let that dry up and then we'll make the mold. Alright, here's some used ComposiMold that I think that I've strained out. I'm pretty sure I strained it out. And we're going to remelt it and use this container as the mold for the knife. It should fit in there. Yes. Should be plenty. So, let's get started. Alright, so we're back on the next day. I had to put this in here because I wasn't thinking, but wood floats, so it'll float on top of ComposiMold as well. Let's pop this baby out. The bottom part of the mold didn't take too good. The knife's almost sitting on the ground here. That is not going to do. Shoot. Yeah, see, that's so thin. Ton of resin leaks and well, now hang on now. Actually, it is a pretty flat surface. This might work. Hold on. This might work. So we're gonna pull the stick out carefully. I'm gonna patch that hole a little bit. So if we cut it out, we could cut it on the edge here. Alright, we got a plan of attack now. I'm going to go ahead and resin this, and then I hope I'll be able to clean it up, reshape it on the belt sander. But first I'm going to hit it with some clear coat, give it just a little bit of protection here. That crack is, I don't know. Again, this is experimental, if I didn't say that already. I've never done this before. Let that dry up. Hello and welcome back. So it's the next day. The resin is hard, but we're gonna go one more layer and kind of seal in the design. Got our second layer of resin down. Now it's time to pop it out and see what we got. Alright, well, we got a little bit of leakage. Understandable. Really picked up a lot of that wood grain. So much so that it's not clear at all. I think we can polish this. on the sander, sand it up a little bit, and see what we get. All right. Alright, well, here is our final product. The paint on it and everything. Not quite what I envisioned, but it's alright, I guess. Not really sharp at all. Just a big chunk of plastic. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye! And we'll see you next time.